Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with coding even after watching hundreds of tutorials? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will share the top 5 mistakes every beginner programmer makes so I can avoid them and learn faster. Mistake number 1, learning too many languages at once. Many beginners try to learn Java, Python, C++, HTML and everything at the same time. This creates confusion, slows your progress and kills motivation. Instead, pick one language and learn it properly. Once your basics are strong, other languages become easy. Mistake number 2, watching tutorials without practicing. This is the biggest trap. You watch 10 videos in a row and feel like you understood, but when you try to write code, your mind goes blank. Watching coding is not equals to learning coding. Always type the code yourself so that even if you make mistakes, it will be useful for you to rectify. Mistake number 3, fear of errors and bugs. Beginners panic when they see errors. But trust me, errors are programmers' best teacher. Even senior developers search Google and Stack Overflow daily. Instead of getting scared, say, okay, what is this error trying to tell me? Mistake number 4, trying to learn everything fast. Programming is not something you can master in 1 week. It's a slow, steady skill, like learning guitar or gym. If you rush, you will forget everything. Focus on core topics like hoops, variables, functions, arrays, like that. Small steps, big results. Mistake number 5, not building small projects early. Many beginners wait for months thinking, I will build projects after I will finish all topics. But that never happens. Small projects teach more than big tutorials. Here, every programmer makes mistakes, but difference is simple. Every programmer learns from them and keep going. So avoid these 5 mistakes and you will grow faster than most beginners. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what programming topics you want next. Thank you.